Back to my channel. Before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I wanna read the article by Caroline Farekevich. The New York Research. U.S. stock closed lower on Wednesday, with indexes volatile after minutes from the Federal Reserve meeting in July suggest policymakers may be less aggressive than previously thought when they raised interest rates in September. Major indexes sharply cut their losses after the release of the minutes, with the Dow briefly turning positive before they returned to earlier low levels. Weak results from target week on the market for much of the session, along with mega cap growth shares including Amazon.com. Amazon.com ended down 1.9%. The Fed minutes also so, policymakers committed to raising rates as high as necessary to bring inflation under control. The Fed has lifted its benchmark overnight interest rate by 225 points this year to a target range of 2.25% to 2.50% after the release of the minutes. Trade of future said to the Fed's policy rate of a half percentage point rate hike as more likely in September. They stay hawkish, but they also open the door perhaps for a half percentage point hike in September as opposite to 75, said Peter Cardillo, chief market economist at Spartan Capital Securities in New York. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 171.969 points or 0.5%. Target shares ended down 2.7% after the retail reported a 90% for in quarterly earnings and missed comparable sales estimates. The S&P 500 retail index fell 1.2%. The news followed upbeat results and outlooks from Walmart and Home Deposit in the HD the day before. After a brutal first half of the year, stocks are up since the start of July. Upbeat corporate earnings have helped for a rebound, while investors have also been optimistic lately that the Fed can achieve a soft landing for economy. Home improvement chain lows cost ENC were up 0.6% after the company posted a better than expected quarterly profit. Early in the day, data show US retail sales were unexpectedly unchanged in July as falling gasoline prices weighed on reserve at service stations. But consumer spending appeared to pick up at the start of the third quarter. Volume on US exchange was 10.76 million shares compared with the 10.92 million average for the full session over the last 20 trading days. Planning issues outnumber advancing one on the NYSE or Nasdaq ratio favored decline. The S&P 500 post for new 52-week highs and 29 new lows. The Nasdaq Composite recorded 39 new highs and target share ended down 2.7% after the retail report 90% for in quarterly earnings and missed comparable sales estimates. The S&P 500 retail index fell. The news followed upbeat results and outlooks from Walmart. After a brutal first half of the year, stocks are up since the start of July. Upbeat corporate earnings have helped for a rebound, while investors have also been optimistic lately that the Fed can achieve a soft landing for economy. Improvement chain loss, it thus ENC were up 0.9% after the company posted a better than expected quarterly profit. Okay guys, that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.